At Numerian Capital, we bring you the latest stock news each day. Please like and subscribe so we can bring these articles to you each day. Thank you. Today, January 18, 2023, Party stock surges 10% as Party City files for bankruptcy. The Party Supply retailer has officially filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy protection from its creditors. Shares of Party City are up 10% today after the company filed for bankruptcy. Retail traders are trying to execute a short squeeze on Party stock. Party City is the latest in a recent string of stocks to be targeted for short squeezes by retail investors. Shares of Party City, NYSE, PRTY, stock are trending and up 10% today after the retailer filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy protection from its creditors. The bankruptcy filing comes as retail investors are trying to execute a short squeeze on Party stock. The Chapter 11 filing has been long rumored and anticipated, and it has been a popular subject on message boards and in chat rooms in recent weeks, including on the Wall Street Bets subreddit. Prior to today, Party City's stock had declined 93% over the last 12 months to trade at 37 cents, putting it deep in penny stock territory. What happened? Party City has officially filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy, making it the latest in a string of retailers who have succumbed to high inflation and declining consumer spending. The company's bankruptcy comes weeks after fellow retailer Bed Bath & Beyond warned that it might be forced into a bankruptcy filing as it struggles with declining sales and high debt servicing costs. Party City, which is headquartered in Woodcliff Lake, New Jersey, said it has reached a pre-negotiated agreement with a bondholder group to support an expedited restructuring. This agreement is expected to be completed in this year's second quarter. The company reported $1 billion in assets and $10 billion in liabilities in its bankruptcy filing. The company also said that it has obtained $150 million in debtor-in-possession financing to support its operations in the near term. Why it matters? Evidence that the U.S. economy is slowing is being seen in corporate America. While retailers such as Party City and Bed Bath & Beyond look to restructure their finances and debt, a wave of layoffs is hitting the technology sector, with Microsoft the latest to announce that it is reducing its workforce as demand slumps. In Party City's case, the Party Supply retailer never recovered from the pandemic when sales slowed due to lockdowns and store closures. The company, which has more than 800 stores in the US and Canada, also struggled with higher costs for freight, labor, and raw material over the past year. The stock's 10% rise on news of a bankruptcy filing is counterintuitive and any gains are likely to be short-lived. Party stock is the latest in a series of so-called meme stocks to rise in recent weeks. After Bed Bath & Beyond warned that it might be forced into a bankruptcy filing, its share price rose more than 250%. What's next for Party stock? Party stock is rising as retail investors execute a short squeeze. However, the current short squeeze could quickly turn into a pump and dump as investors realize gains and sell the stock in short order. As such, investors should proceed very carefully with Party City stock. NYSE halts trading in Party City amid bankruptcy news. Party plans to reduce debt with its bankruptcy. Party City stock halted trading early this morning. That came ahead of a bankruptcy announcement today. This comes after investors have pumped shares higher recently. Party City stock has halted trading after the company filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy protection. The New York Stock Exchange halted trading of Party stock early this morning ahead of the bankruptcy news. The reason given for the halt is news pending. While that news has been released, shares still aren't trading as of this writing. It's worth noting that Party stock has been on a wild ride these last couple of weeks. Investors flocked to the stock earlier this month when reports of a bankruptcy filing started to spread. This resulted in shares soaring higher alongside heavy trading. Details of the Party bankruptcy. According to a filing with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, Party City intends to use the bankruptcy to reduce its debt. The company says that it's already reached an agreement with its debt holders to reduce its total debt of $1.7 billion. To go along with this, Party City says it has secured $150 million in funding. The company says it will use these funds to continue normal operations throughout the bankruptcy process. Investors will also remember that Party stock is in danger of being delisted from the NYSE. An official warning was sent in December as the company's shares are trading below the $1 minimum required for a listing. Thanks for watching. Numerian Capital News. Please come back tomorrow for another stock news update. Thank you.